So today we will discover the 17 number question, and question is compare the following. So 3 square into 10 to the power 6 semicolon 3 square into minus 10 to the power 6. So this one will get 3 into 3 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, so this one 3 into 3 into this one also will get what, 10 to the power 6, because power is even number. Let's say minus will become what, plus. So so this one also this one and then same again, this one also, this one same. So we can write 3 into 3. Therefore we can write what, 3 into 3 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to what, 3 into 3 into 10 to the power 6. Ultimately same will get 3 square into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 3 square into 10 to the power 6. So this is our answer. So again we will write second number, which is 2 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 6 in semicolon 2 cube into minus 7 whole square into 10 to the power 6. So this one will compare now. So this number and this number is same, and this number is different. So ultimately this is the bigger. So we can write, therefore 2 cube into 7 is cube into 10 to the power 6 greater than 2 cube into minus 7 whole square into what, 10 to the power 6. This is our answer. Now we will solve 18 number question, which is evaluate. Question is evaluate 2 cube into 7 square. So 2 cube means 3 times we have to put 2. Again 7 square means 2 times we have to put 7. When you will multiply, you will get what, 196. This is number A. Again B number also is there. So 3 cube into 5 2 is equal to, we will get 3 times 3 you have to put 3 times, because 3 cube having. When you will multiply, we will get 1404. Same as that C number. C number is what, 0 into 6 to the power 9. Ultimately you will get what, 0. With 0, if any number you will multiply, you will get what, 0. So D number now. So D number is 11 cube into 5 square. So this one will get 11 into 11 into 11 into 5 into 5. So when we will multiply this, we will get 33275 number. Find the value. 19 number. Our question is find the value. So our first question is minus 3 whole cube into minus 2 whole cube into minus 1 whole to the power 144. So minus 3 we have to put 3 times. Again minus 2 we have to put 3 times. Remember this one, if power is even, so minus will become what? Plus. Will multiply 1 and 144 times you have to multiply, so we'll get ultimately 1 will get. So these all multiply, you'll get the answer 216. Minus minus plus, again minus minus plus, again minus minus plus, ultimately plus will be the answer. Plus 216 will be the answer. So this is completed. Now we'll go in B number. So our B number is 2 to the power 5 into 5 square into 1 whole to the power 62. So 2 we have to multiply 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 we have to multiply 2 times. Again this one will get 1. This minus 1 to the power 62 will get what? Ultimately 1 will get. So when you will multiply 2 2 2 2 2, so now C number, our C number is minus 3 whole to the power 6 into minus 1 whole to the power 5 into minus 1 whole to the power 407. So this one will get what? 6 times. Minus 3 you have to multiply 6 times. One, two, three, four, 5. Again what? 6 times. Again 5. This one minus 1 will get minus 1 only, because power is odd number. So that's a minus will remain minus. This one also minus will get, because our power is what? Power is odd number. That's why minus will list only minus. So when we multiply these all, we'll get 7 to 9, 729. So now we'll solve our 19 number completed. Now we'll solve 20 number. Stretch each of the following numbers as a power as a product of power of for prime factors. So now we'll find this one. So a number is what? 7 2. This one will get 2 cube into 3 square. So this is our answer. Again B number will get 2 5 6. This one will get 2 to the power 8. Again C number will get, C number is what? 1000. So answer will be what? 5 cube. Again C number, D number what? Our D number is 2800. So our answer will be 2 to the power 4 into 5 square into 7. So E number now. E number is what? 6300. So this one will get 2 square into 3 square into 5 square into 7. Now F number, our F number is 5600. So this one will get 2 to the power 5 into 5 square into what? 7. F. Now G number. So our G number is 1024. So this one will get 2 to the power 10. Absolute value of the following. So first question is -4 to the power 3. So this one we have to multiply. Absolute value means this one -4 whole cube. So this one will get, ultimately answer will be what? -64. This is 64 is our answer. Okay. Again, B number is what? B number is -2 to the power 4. So -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. 4 times -2 you have to multiply. So we'll get 16. So now we'll start C number. So C number is what? -7 whole square. So this one will get -7. We have to multiply 2 times. We'll get what? 49. So D number, or D number is 9 to the power 5. So we have to multiply 9 is 5 times. We'll get what? 59045. The following. Simplify the following. So this 7 square minus 4 square whole into 2 square. So this is, we will get what? 49 minus 16 into 4. We will get 132. So this A number, and we will find B number. B number is what? 3 square plus 5 square whole into 9 square. So this is 9 plus 25 whole into 81. So we will get answer. Again, C number, or C number is 8 square minus 4 square whole into, whole divided by 1/24. So this is 64 minus 16. This one dividing, it will become what? 24. So answer will get what? 1152. So our last question is find the product. Find the product. So our question, word number -1 to the power 54. Ultimately we will get what? 1. B 2 number -1 to the power 2 will get what? 72 will get what? Only 1. 3 number -1 to the power 253 is equal to, will get what? Only -1 will get. So same as that, -4 number -1 to the power 599 will get what? Only -1. So this is our answer.